What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. So we've got the November box from Trendy Butler here. So we're about to crack this bitch open, see what we got. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, it's yellow inside this time. Once again, I really do like the new boxes compared to the envelopes. These just, you know, I don't know, it's just the quality seems to like have gone up on that, which I really appreciate. All right, so let's see. Ooh, got what looks like maybe a hoodie here and a pair of chinos. So we've got, feels like a nice thick heavy black hoodie from Wesk. We Are the Superlative Conspiracy. Interesting. Feels really like thick and probably warm. Got the pocket in the front, which I like. It's really soft inside. And it is a size medium, so it looks and sounds like it should fit quite nicely. Always enjoy a good hoodie. And we've got here a pair of, it looks like stretch waist chinos. Ooh, interesting. All right, so it's another one of these. This seems to be popular lately, like the kind of string waist ones instead of belt loops. So a little bit more casual. I really like the zip pockets. That's cool. These are a size medium once again. Let's see here. So this is Kennedy brand. Superior equipment for the people. 98% cotton, 2% spandex. So, all right, nice. We've got the besom or flapless pockets in the back, which is cool. I like the stitch work, it looks nice. They do feel pretty heavy duty too, and they do look quite slim down the leg as well. Now I'm looking in the monitor, they look slightly greenish on camera, but I don't know, are they? Like a really light kind of olivey green maybe? Does it have a color on here? Let's see. Yeah, they're just calling it khaki. I think it's just something weird with my lights. But I actually don't have a pair of just like straight up kind of khaki colored chinos right now, so that's nice. The Velcro flight pants. That's funny because I have a friend in the Air Force, and these kind of the color and the feel of this kind of makes me think of his like flying jumpsuit. All right, Kennedy Denim Co. Original date of inception 2012, Los Angeles, California. Cool. All right, well, let's try everything on. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the hoodie fits perfectly. It's nice and slim, but not too tight, it's not too baggy, and it does feel nice and thick and warm, so that's going to be really nice for this winter season. And the pants fit great as well. The waist is a little bit loose, but it works just fine with that kind of tie-in belt idea, and they are really nice and slim all the way down to the ankle, and they're the right length for me, so they fit really nice. They're going to be a really nice casual pair of chinos. Alright, so I would call that another successful unboxing from Trendy Butler. Yeah, I just like it. It's a really good casual outfit. They go nicely together, obviously, and they'll go nicely with other things. Yeah, I actually really quite like the pants. They're just something interesting. I don't really have much like that, and they will go with a lot. And as I mentioned, they're nice and slim. They're comfortable. They're a little bit stretchy, which is nice. The hoodie's great. It's just like that perfect, slightly snug but not too tight fitting, and it just feels really comfy and warm, so I'm happy with that. Stay tuned to the channel guys. Later this week I'm going to have a dual review coming up of two products from Cream Clay Paste. I've got their Hydro Clay as well as their collab one, the Modern Times Matte Paste. Really looking forward to doing that video. I'm hoping that's going to go up on Saturday. And with that, I just want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all enjoy some holiday time with friends and family, and of course, lots of good food. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all the upcoming content I have for you guys. And as always, thank you so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.